Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear viewers, and I hope you are enjoying my cooking. Hope you have subscribed to my channel. And today I'm going to show you a very wonderful recipe which will be done very quickly. Now there are two beautiful things about this. Today I'm going to make chicken balls. You can eat it as starters, or you can use the chicken balls to put it in gravy. Choice is yours. Let's get going. Here I have 750 grams of boiled chicken. I have deboned it. I mean, it is a boneless chicken. I boiled it. The broth is here. Broth is here. I have boiled it and made a paste, a coarse paste in the mixie. Okay. The other ingredients I am using is 1 handful of chopped methi leaves, that is fenugreek leaves. Washed it, you know that without washing and cleaning you cannot use it. Okay, 1 handful of methi leaves chopped finely, half a tomato finely chopped. This is 1 inch garlic, ginger that is coarsely ground, coarsely. Then this is 1 tablespoon of coriander chopped. This is coarsely ground, 8 garlic cloves. Okay. This is 3 green chilies finely chopped and 1 small onion finely chopped. Now the dry masalas. Start from. This is garam masala, pepper powder, coriander powder. This is all homemade because I dry roast it and powder it. So I can, once in 15 days I have fresh powder. Red chili powder, plain it is. This is bought from the market. This is cumin seed powder which is roasted. You have salt here and turmeric powder. I have egg which I use to mix for binding it is, and 1 more substance for binding. This is the gram flour. You can use roasted gram flour or the gram flour from the dal. Okay. Now we'll start going. We'll start doing the step of mixing the ingredients. I'll tell you that I boiled this with little turmeric and salt. Okay. So that's why I will just put little salt. Don't put much. Turmeric powder. Garam masala. Cumin seed. 3 of. If you want, you can put more, but I will be putting green chilies. Coriander powder. Pepper powder. Mix it. Put in the fresh cuttings that I have made. Methi leaves, fenugreek leaves, onion, tomato, ginger. These are all coarsely ground ginger and garlic. Green chili also, which is coarsely ground, and mix it thoroughly till it becomes a homogeneous mix. I think I'll use my hand so I know the consistency. Look here. Look at the pot. I'm just putting half a tablespoon of gram. Okay, I'm mixing it. Now I have to mix it thoroughly before frying. Okay, after mixing it thoroughly, I'll make the balls and keep it in the fridge for half an hour. Okay, done. See, it is homogeneous mix. Half, and I think this is fine, or smaller than this, depends. It's easy for me to. You can skip the gram flour, okay? No problem, because I put the egg for binding. I'll keep it in the fridge now for half an hour. This is all I'll make. Keep it in the fridge, okay? My fridge is messy. It's okay, messy. Come, close the fridge. This is coconut oil. I kept it on high flame because I want to heat the oil. Then I'll reduce. I will just check if the oil is heated. Just put. No. Why you have to keep in the fridge? Because it gets bound very nicely. And don't overload the oil. They should, after frying, they should float inside. That many you put. This may get burnt. This may get burnt and may not cook inside. Allow it to.
Maximum fry size.
Very delicately, okay? It has to fry. You have to be very careful while turning it, okay? Because they split otherwise. When both the sides they become brown like this, you can take it out. I'll tell you little something went wrong. Little more gram flour should have been put. I put half tablespoon, you put another half, okay? Because you see, it has happened. I mean, this has happened, others have turned out good. Very nice. You know why I put the mint, this thing, fenugreek leaves? Because children don't like fenugreek leaves. So you put it in this and give them to eat. Vegetable will go into the stomach. Okay? Bye. Cook this, but don't forget to put little more gram flour in that, okay? Hmm.